How to show or hide weather forecast in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar app. After click on calendar app, click on this three line icon and click on settings icon. Now in calendar settings, scroll down and you will see show weather forecast is here. If you want to show weather forecast, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see show weather forecast is show. If you want to hide weather forecast, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see show weather forecast is hide. So you will show and hide weather forecast from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide weather forecast in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.